Hey guys, Maritza here, and today I want to talk to you guys about this lamp that I recently got on Amazon. I'll give you all the information you need to know on this, but before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know that this was sent to us for free to give them an honest review. And so again, because this was sent for free, that's not going to affect my thoughts on this product. I do my own nails at home for myself, and it's a creative expression for me, plus I get to save a bunch of money just doing my own nails. I am a stay-at-home mom, and I work from home as well, and so I typically do my nails at nighttime, and so this is going to be a game changer for my nail at-home nail setup, because I'll be able to see what I'm doing. And so it does have double sides, so it has this side right here for like a side lighting, as well as coming from the top for top lighting. You can move it around different angles and everything. So if I'm working on this hand, I can switch it over to that side, or you could even just do like that as well. It has a knob right here, so you can adjust it to make sure that it stays tight and it doesn't move on its own, or you can loosen it up and then kind of work it to the way you need it. Right here are different options for buttons. Let me see if I can move you closer. So right here we have our on and off button. This will change which light, what side it comes from. So let me put this back in frame. Okay, so right here we have our top one and then our side one. And so if you press it, it will switch between either both, one, or the other, or both. I like both. Here's a timer for 30 minutes. This will change the color, so you have your blue light, office lighting. This is a little bit more daytime. This is your warmer setting, even warmer. And back to your blue. I like to keep it on warm, kind of that daylight setting. And then this is how low it goes. Okay, so this is how low it goes, and then let's see how many it goes higher. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10. So it goes 10, up to 10 in brightness. And like I said, this is perfect for doing your nails. This is just my at-home setting, but my at-home setup. But honestly, I think this would go good for even if you have your own salon. This is definitely great. You could also use this for any artwork, art projects. It's a really great desk lamp as well. I do, again, love that you can just adjust which direction you want the light to hit. And it goes pretty high as well. All right, well, there you have it. This is the lamp that I will be using for my at-home nail setup. I'm gonna just go ahead and start doing my nails. All right, thank you for watching. I really like this, and I hope that you do too. Bye.